guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue working on the intake manifold here, getting all that cleaned up. But some good news is I got some parts in, mainly some of my hoses, and that's going on in the motor here. But the main purpose of today's video is I got a package. Let's go see what that's all about. Let's go. Alrighty. Some good packaging here. I got some more recycling to do. But man, look at this beauty. My transmission. Let's get this thing out so we can look at it a little better. Clean. This sucker is clean. Everything fresh from Synchrotech. Go ahead and give Synchrotech a shout out here. Check them out for all your transmission needs. It's going to look pretty bolted up to this motor here. So let's get to work, but first, let's get this cardboard to recycle. Let's clean up this garage here a little bit. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got the primer coat on. That's all nice and dry. So now we're going to hit it with this aluminum. I hope we make it match the block here. Got everything taped up. Cover the whole thing in tape and use a razor so you can put the excess out. Alright, got the coat on this side. Doesn't look too bad. We'll go ahead and let that dry here for a little bit. We'll get started on cleaning the throttle body. So just got the new intake for throttle body gasket. I'm going to clean the throttle body today. probably paint some brackets. Got all my new hoses in. So we're ready to do that, clean up that fuel rail. Still thinking about getting some new injectors. But some of these brackets that go onto the intake manifold, I'm gonna paint those. Thinking about doing the red like on the valve cover. Let me know what you guys think. Kind of give it some accent. But I'm also thinking about just doing the aluminum like the block. And some other pieces got to paint here, so we'll get that done. We'll go ahead and clean those things up, and we'll get those into the paint booth. So these things got a few minutes to dry with the primer coat. Now it's time to put my cast coat aluminum coat on. Alright, we'll let these dry, flip them, and hit them one more time. So I got this intake mount all kind of cleaned up a little bit. Got it cleaned off with some clean water, nice and dry. Got all the debris and dust off. So I'm just going to hit this thing with a flat black high heat paint, and it should do the trick. I'm not going to prime it since it's going over black. It shouldn't be too bad. So let's check it out. And we'll let that dry, flip it over, hit the other side, make sure that it's all good.